Parrot's feather. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, parrot's feather. This phrase is not just about birds or feathers, but it carries a deeper meaning in the English language. So, let's dive in and unfold the layers of parrot's feather. The phrase, parrot's feather, doesn't have a widely recognized origin in literature or colloquial speech. However, it can be interpreted in various contexts. In some cases, it could refer to something colorful or extravagant because parrots are known for their vibrant feathers. Alternatively, it might symbolize imitation or mimicry, as parrots are famous for mimicking sounds and words. Literal meaning. Literally, parrot's feather refers to the feather of a parrot. Parrots are tropical birds known for their brightly colored feathers and ability to mimic human speech. Figurative meaning. Figuratively, the phrase can be used to describe something that is overly decorative or unnecessarily flamboyant. It can also imply copying or imitating someone else's style or work without originality. Much like a parrot mimics sounds. Let's see how to use parrot's feather in sentences. 1. Describing flamboyance. His outfit was as colorful as a parrot's feather, standing out in the crowd. 2. Imitating others. Just repeating facts like a parrot's feather doesn't demonstrate your understanding of the topic. While parrot's feather is not a common idiom, its use can vary depending on cultural contexts. In some places, it might be used more literally, while in others, it could take on more creative or figurative meanings. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, parrot's feather, and how it can be used in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the colorful expressions and phrases that make it vibrant and dynamic. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of English.